Welcome to Preparenext.com. We offer you job details, and today we are going to show you the benefits of working remote. Working from home has increased steadily throughout the years, even during recessions. More businesses are hiring remote workers as they find the best way to recruit them. There are many reasons to work from home than just programming and sales. Project managers, SEO marketing professionals, accountants, data entry workers, HR executives, and more frequently advised in job postings. At first, what is remote working? They are just like any other job. Employees can be contractors or full time employees, but both are treated exactly the same. Generally, employees work remotely from home, a cafe, a co working space, etc. However, not every employee can work from home long term. This type of work requires people who are self motivated, driven, and who know how to manage their time and meet deadlines without having co workers sitting alone them or the boss peering that companies adopt remote work. Most new startups are offering remote work as well. Therefore, getting a remote job is easier now and it will continue to get easier as remote work becomes more mainstream. Online applications are available for remote jobs. 10 applications should be sent to 10 companies every day for the next 10 days. Despite being ignored by many, you will get one response at least. It is possible to find remote jobs through staffing agency like TopTel, Gigster, Code Mentor, etc. But it is certainly comes with lack of control since you are working through a staffing agency. The majority of remote jobs are similar to the regular job apart from the way they are communicated, collaborated, socialized and worked. It is essential to be able to communicate well both written and verbally when working remotely, as that's most synchronous way to collaborate on remote work. Jira, tickets, chats, and GitHub issues simply cannot be avoided. When you work remotely, you will need to schedule time for socializing since you won't be spending the time with the office colleagues. You can plan your day differently when you work remotely, thus, you can spend time taking your child to school, working only when your family and no obligations. Some of the best high paying jobs in India: graphic designer, tutor, freelance writer, accountant, freelance translator, digital marketer, operations management, and the travel agent. Here are some of the benefits working remotely. At number 1, assisting with workstation. A remote or in-office employee always demand the best equipment. As a result, they are motivated to produce better results because all the amenities are available to them. It makes them feel comfortable, creates a good vibe and teaches them responsibility. Opportunities for learning and development. These days, employees are more interested in learning new technologies, enhancing their skills, and growing professionally. The availability of online courses have made learning anything much easier for everyone. Similarly, every company can offer their employee access to the premium online courseware on any topic they wish to learn. Well-being and its benefits. Health and wellness are an integral part of any employee benefit initiative. The fact that employees work in isolation makes it even more important for them to maintain the healthy lifestyle for the physical and mental well-being. Utilizing an employee wellness platform is one of the best ways to deliver health and wellness to your remote workforce. At number 4, we have the childcare benefit. Working from home may also require employees to take care of their children, and remote jobs can provide employees with childcare benefits such as accessing to professional babysitters or engaging online classes. Stay tuned for upcoming updates. www.panics.com. Thank you.